Today we're making enchiladas, but these aren't just any enchiladas. These are enchiladas mixtas. Let's start by adding a whole chicken into our pot. Add 11 cups of water and continue to boil on a high heat for 15 minutes, and then you want to remove the impurities. Once you remove the impurities, you're going to add half a purple onion, 3 green onions, 1 leek, 3 bay leaves, half a garlic bulb, epazote, and 1.5 tablespoons of salt. And you're going to continue to cook on a medium heat for another hour and a half. Oh, that smells so good. Guaranteed to have everybody in your house relaxed. So if you have some teenagers that are sassing you, make sure to make your chicken broth ahead of time and have it handy throughout the week. You also want to save your onions and your garlic because we're going to need that for our salsa verde. We're going to quickly make a salsa verde, and you're going to need a bunch of cilantro, 5 roasted poblano peppers, our tomatillos, our serrano, and our jalapeño. It's going to be nice and juicy in here. We're also going to be using the garlic and the onion that we used for our chicken, and now we want to blend until smooth. And boom, done. Once you blend your ingredients, you're going to place them in your pot. We're going to use 2 cups of fresh chicken broth. We're going to shake this blender and we're going to pour it right in. Place your burner on a medium heat and continue to cook for another 5 minutes. In this pot, I have 3 cups of our chicken broth, and I'm going to add about 4 ounces of mole paste. I showed you guys how to make this from scratch, but you want to use the one that you absolutely love, and if you're in a rush, you can get them at the store already made. So just pick the one that you love the most. And I'm going to keep stirring until I dissolve the paste into the chicken broth. Once your mole is nice and smooth, we're ready to start rolling up our chicken enchiladas. I want my enchilada sauce a little bit runnier today, so I went ahead and I added 1 cup of chicken broth to make it nice and smooth, just like this. In this mixture, I have half a cup of crema fresca and half a cup of Mexican sour cream. Some queso Chihuahua, or your favorite melty cheese, purple onions, some cilantro, and you're definitely gonna need some more salsa verde over the top. Don't be shy with it, just douse it, smother it. Enjoy your dinner today. And definitely some more mole. Now, who's ready for a delicious bite? I'm gonna need somebody very special to say